Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming essentials: power source and visible slider. Open Settings, choose System then Display, and look for the brightness slider. This controls backlight at the OS level. Once you see it, adjust in 10% increments to test response and note differences when plugged in versus on battery. If the slider is absent, don't panic. This indicates a driver or power plan issue. Make sure you have admin access, then move to Device Manager for the next corrective steps. Now address drivers and power settings, because Windows needs correct drivers to expose brightness control. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click the GPU or Intel HD device, and choose Update Driver. Opt to search automatically or point to a downloaded driver if available. Next, open Power Options, edit your plan's advanced settings, and toggle adaptive brightness to isolate software dimming. Once done, restart the PC to load drivers. Finish by restoring stability and documenting what works. If a new driver removed the slider, roll back the driver in Device Manager. Boot safe mode if necessary to undo changes. Alternatively, obtain the exact OEM driver via the manufacturer utility or the Windows Update catalog for precise matches. Make sure to create a restore point before making driver changes so you can revert quickly. If brightness still fails, check for monitor firmware or BIOS settings. These can override Windows, then repeat driver steps as needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.